Do you know many people are having trouble with checking whether their Frigidaire FHPC082AC1 has an oscillating mode? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. No swing mode. The Frigidaire FHPC082AC1 does not have an oscillating swing mode. Step 2. Select fan speed. The unit features fan mode with speed settings of high or low, but no swing feature. Step 3. No exhaust needed. In fan mode, you do not need to connect the air exhaust hose, indicating no oscillation function. Step 4. Auto mode lacks swing. The auto mode automatically selects cooling, heating, or fan only, but lacks an oscillating feature. Step 5. Sleep mode adjusts. The sleep mode adjusts temperature incrementally, but does not swing. Step 6. Features but no swing. Overall, the unit focuses on cooling, heating, fan speed, and sleep mode, but no swing. Now you should understand the functionalities of your Frigidaire FHPC082AC1 air conditioning unit, and know that it does not include an oscillating swing mode. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Frigidaire users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.